What's up guys, welcome back to Getting Saucy. Today I'm going to do my favorite thing in the world, sauce. I'm going to teach you guys how to use plum tomatoes fresh out of your garden to create what Italians call salsa cruda. Salsa cruda just means a fresh, no-cook sauce that we can create together. I'm here at Gerhardt's Appliances in Glenside, PA in our beautiful Thermidor kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to make this sauce for your dinner tonight in 5 minutes or less. Okay, so first things first, our tomato. I'm going to simply slice our tomato down and take out the core. We do not want too much liquid in our salsa. So I'm going to just take that core out, and then I'm going to take my remaining pieces and just dice them into equal parts. Then after that, I am going to move on to our herbs. So this is the perfect time to use all the fresh herbs you have in your garden. Let's get them used and into our bellies. That's what they're for. All right, perfect. So I'm going to move my tomatoes to this side, and next thing we're going to add into our salsa is going to be our herbs. As I said, I have basil here cut into a chiffonade. I have a little bit of fresh parsley, and I have about 2 teaspoons of chopped rosemary. Next to our salsa, I'm going to add in a little bit of garlic. So I have 2 cloves of minced garlic here. Perfect. I also have a combination of olives. So what I have in front of me are Kalamata olives and also Niçoise style olives. Just going to add them straight in. And then we're going to add our final ingredient, which is a fresh squeeze of lemon juice. So I'm just going to cut my lemon in half, and then I'm going to use my hand to make sure I catch all the lemon seeds and we don't get those seeds into our beautiful salsa, just like that. Perfect. And then the final thing that we are going to do with our salsa is we are going to, of course, season it. So I have black pepper in front of me. Perfect. I have a little bit of red pepper flake. You're going to do that to taste. It's going to make your salsa just a little bit spicy. I'm going to add salt, plenty of salt. Tomatoes love salt, just like so. And then I am going to use a little bit of olive oil to bring it all together. So we're going to do a drizzle of olive oil. I would say maybe 3 tablespoons if you're the kind of person who likes to measure all your ingredients. So we're going to mix all this beautifulness together, and we're going to get it over our chicken for a beautiful and easy dinner tonight. So now we're going to take our beautiful salsa cruda and we're going to turn our pretty plain little lunch into something gorgeous. So we're going to take our salsa and pour it directly over our chicken breast, just like so. Oh, it's beautiful, you guys. It's bringing so much life to the plate, so much flavor, so much color. We're going to add a little bit of Parmigiano to our salad, just like so. And we're going to give everything a little drizzle of olive oil. And we'll have a beautiful and delicious lunch for the whole family.